Incredible health benefits of flax seeds. The right way to use seeds. Seeds with loads of benefits. Flax seeds may be tiny, but their health benefits are truly enormous. As far back as 3000 BC, the Egyptians cherished these seeds for their medicinal and nutritional properties. Today, they've made their way back into our modern diets. Let's embark on a journey to discover why flax seeds deserve a place in your kitchen and how they can transform your health. In this video, we'll look at 10 incredible health benefits of flax seeds and how to incorporate them into your daily routine. Get ready to see how adding flax seeds to your diet can be a win-win for your health. 1. The little seed that strengthens your heart. Flax seeds are like the unsung heroes of the plant world, tiny knights in shining armor, defending your heart against the villains of high cholesterol and heart disease. These seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which is known to tame inflammation and keep your heart ticking smoothly. For those who skip seafood, flax seeds serve as a plant-based lifeline for this essential nutrient. The soluble fiber in flax seeds acts like a trap, catching cholesterol before it can cause any harm. Not only does it prevent cholesterol from entering the bloodstream, but it also encourages the production of bile, which requires cholesterol, ultimately lowering LDL, bad cholesterol. With clearer arteries and a reduced risk of heart disease, your heart will thank you. Sprinkle ground flax seeds over your favorite salads or blend them into smoothies for an omega-3 boost that's sure to keep your heart smiling all day long. 2. Flax seeds, the sugar traffic controller. Imagine flax seeds as traffic controllers on a busy highway, managing the flow of sugar into your bloodstream. They ensure a smooth, steady entry of sugar, preventing those dangerous spikes and crashes that can wreak havoc on your body. The soluble fiber in flax seeds forms a gel-like substance, slowing down sugar absorption and maintaining steady blood sugar levels. Flax seeds are a natural stabilizer for people managing diabetes or blood sugar swings. Research shows that regular consumption helps keep blood sugar levels in check throughout the day. Add them to smoothies, pancakes, or oatmeal to keep your blood sugar levels cruising smoothly. 3. Hormone balance like a master chef. One of flax seeds' unique properties is its ability to manage hormones, which can be difficult, such as balancing spices in a recipe. Enter flax seeds, which contain phytoestrogens. These herbal compounds mimic estrogen in the body and help balance hormone levels, especially for women who are experiencing menopause or hormonal imbalance. The lignans in flax seeds help balance hormones in the body. Flax seed has been shown to reduce hot flashes, night sweats, and other menopausal symptoms and acts as a natural hormone regulator. Bake flax seeds into your homemade bread or muffins for a delicious, hormone-balancing snack. 4. Nature's broom for digestive health. Flax seeds are nature's broom, sweeping through your digestive tract and keeping everything moving smoothly. Just 2 tablespoons pack around 3 grams of fiber, offering your digestive system the support it needs to stay healthy and regular. The soluble fiber in flax seeds absorbs water, forming a gel that slows digestion and prevents constipation. Think of it as your digestive system's gentle cleanser, helping to detoxify the body by ensuring waste and toxins are flushed out effectively. Plus, because they're gluten-free, flax seeds are a fantastic option for those with celiac disease. Stir a spoonful of flax seeds into your soup or sprinkle them on bread to pamper your digestive system. 5. Great for weight management. Do you also have a problem losing weight? Flax seed can be your best friend. Flax seeds are like a smart thermostat for your appetite, adjusting and maintaining balance so you're never too hungry or too full. Their high fiber content helps you feel fuller for longer, preventing unnecessary overeating and snacking. The fiber in flax seeds slows down digestion, allowing your body to absorb nutrients more efficiently and keeping you satisfied throughout the day. Make a simple flax seed pudding by mixing ground flax seeds with almond milk and refrigerating overnight. Top with fresh fruit for a satisfying and nutritious snack. 6. Full of lignans, natural defense against cancer. Flax seeds contain lignans, plant compounds with antioxidant properties and known cancer-fighting abilities. Think of lignans as little protectors guarding your cells from the damaging effects of free radicals. Research has shown that lignans can reduce the risk of breast cancer, prostate cancer, and other hormone-related cancers by balancing hormone levels in the body. 7. Support for skin and hair health. Thanks to omega-3 fatty acids, B vitamins, and antioxidants, flax seeds nourish your skin from the inside out. Omega-3s help hydrate the skin, reduce inflammation, and prevent wrinkles. Meanwhile, lignans protect the skin from free radical damage, which is responsible for premature aging. Mix ground flax seeds with coconut oil to create a natural hair mask that will add shine and strength to your hair from root to tip. 8. The ultimate energy booster. Feeling tired despite enough sleep? Try flax seeds. Rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, flax seeds provide a steady stream of energy without the crash from sugary snacks. Whether you're hitting the gym or need a midday pick-me-up, flax seeds have your back. Include flax seeds in your homemade granola or energy bites for a long-lasting energy boost. 9. Strengthening bones. Think of your bones as the foundation of a house. Without proper care, they can weaken over time. Loaded with calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, flax seeds act like cement for your bones, ensuring they stay strong. These nutrients are critical for bone density, especially as we age. Magnesium helps the body absorb calcium more effectively, while phosphorus supports the structure of your bones and teeth. Add flax seeds to salad dressing or Greek yogurt to give your bones the necessary nutrients. 10. Mental health support like a knowledgeable coach. Mental clarity is like a calm lake, smooth and serene, reflecting everything clearly. Flax seeds help maintain mental clarity with their omega-3s and magnesium. Omega-3s support brain cell function, reduce brain fog, and boost focus, while magnesium helps regulate neurotransmitters that affect mood. Including flax seeds in your diet can improve cognitive function, reduce stress, and even alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. The correct way to use flax seeds. To get the most out of flax seeds, it's best to grind them rather than consume them whole, as your body can't fully break down whole seeds, due to its ability to increase volume in the stomach and intestines, and its high fiber content, especially soluble fiber. Flax seeds should be consumed with enough water. Not drinking enough water can lead to constipation or discomfort. The recommended daily intake typically ranges from 1 to 2 tablespoons, about 10 to 20 grams. Store flax seeds in an airtight container in the refrigerator to preserve their freshness and prevent them from spoiling. Want to learn more about super healthy foods? Check out my video on chia seeds and discover how you can boost your health with simple, natural ingredients. Thank you for watching.